Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to dispute a charge on Venmo quickly and correctly. First, open your Venmo app and go to your transaction history. Find the payment or charge you want to dispute and tap on it to view the details. If the payment was unauthorized or looks suspicious, tap Get Help or Report a Problem at the bottom of the screen. Choose the reason for your dispute, such as unauthorized transaction or item not received, and provide a short explanation of what happened. Venmo's support team will review your case and contact you by email for more information if needed. You can also email them directly at support@venmo.com or use the in-app chat for faster communication. Keep in mind, if it's a payment between friends, Venmo can't reverse it unless it's proven fraudulent. And that's it. Once you submit your dispute, Venmo will investigate and let you know the result, helping you resolve the issue as quickly as possible. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.